Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Xiao long bao. First, ensure your frozen or chilled dumplings are at room temperature for about 10 minutes before steaming them. Set up your steamer with approximately 1 inch of water in the pot, ensuring it does not touch the bottom of the steamer basket. Line your basket with parchment paper or cabbage leaves to prevent the dumplings from sticking. Bring the water to a rolling boil before adding the dumplings, preparing them for a gentle steam. Once your steamer water is boiling, carefully place the dumplings in the basket, leaving about 1 inch of space between each one. This crucial step prevents them from sticking together during the steaming process, preserving their delicate skins. Steam the Xiao long bao for precisely 8 to 10 minutes, depending on their size and initial temperature. The wrappers should appear beautifully translucent, and the filling should be thoroughly cooked. Avoid oversteaming, as this can cause the wrappers to break, releasing all the delicious soup. Your Xiao long bao are best enjoyed immediately, straight from the steamer. Use a wide, shallow spoon or a small bowl for serving to catch any escaped soup. For a classic dipping sauce, combine about 1/4 cup of black vinegar with 1 tablespoon of finely shredded ginger. To eat, gently pick up the dumpling with chopsticks, place it on your spoon, and take a small bite to release the hot, savory soup. Sip the broth, then enjoy the rest of the dumpling. A simple yet essential dipping sauce significantly enhances the Xiao long bao experience. Combine about 1/4 cup of high-quality black vinegar with 1 tablespoon of freshly julienne ginger in a small dish. The sharpness of the vinegar perfectly cuts through the richness of the pork and broth. You can also customize your sauce by adding a few drops of sesame oil or a dash of chili oil for a bit of warmth. This accompaniment elevates every bite of your dumpling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.